In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit merchant names in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Editing merchant names helps keep your transactions clean and consistent, especially if the same store appears with different names. For a single transaction, click on the merchant name, search for merchant details, or type a new name and choose Create from the dropdown. This will update only that specific transaction unless you apply it more broadly. If you want to edit multiple transactions at once, click Edit Multiple and select the items you want to update. Then click Edit, update the merchant name, and apply it to all selected entries. This is useful for fixing repeated inconsistencies in bulk. For global change, go to Settings, then Merchants. Find the merchant you want to update, rename it or merge duplicates, and save. This will automatically update all matching transactions across your account. You can also use rules to automate this process, so similar merchant names are cleaned up automatically moving forward. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.